So now I'm going to show you how to reflect an image over the line. In this case, our image is a square, and we're going to reflect it over the y-axis as the directions have said. So this is the line that we're going to be reflecting it over. So the most important thing is with reflection is that is the distance that we are from that. So V up here, we're just basically going to measure this distance, and something you can do here is just count. We are 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from this line. So its reflection will also be 4 units, but to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to label that V prime, and the prime shows us that it's the newest one. Okay, I can do the same thing with U. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, I'll mark that U prime. T is going to be further. Okay? It's further from the line, so it'll be further to this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's T prime. And then W, I already know, basically this would be a shortcut. If I know that T is 9 away, then I know V must be 9 away as well. But if I don't want to make a mistake, I might want to just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it was. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is my version of a W. W prime. Fill it in. I don't like it. I don't care if it's perfect. The points are where they need to be. And as you can see, just like reflection, the letters are backwards. Okay? V was the furthest from the line. It's still the furthest from the line. Sorry, W was the furthest from the line. Still furthest. V was the closest. So still the closest. And another thing that I recommend that you do, especially early on, just to make sure that it is the same shape. Sometimes they will look the same, but it might be slightly off. Is just count your place. How big was the original shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one better be the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's reflecting over the y-axis, and then I will quickly show you how to reflect over the x-axis. Again, it's the same thing, okay, except this time they're saying reflect over the x-axis, so I'll do this very quickly. S is 1, 2 away, 1, 2. I can see that. 1, 2 to the other side. S prime. T is also 1, 2, so 1, 2. T prime. R, here's a trick. I'll just say this. Its coordinate would be using, is across from -10 on the y-axis, which means it's 10 spots away from 0. So I'm just going to go 10 spots to the other side instead of count this time. So there's R prime. And Q is also across from the 10, so it's 10 units away from the X. So we're going to go 10 to the other side and mark Q prime. Make our rectangle. And if you want, you can go back and count to make sure that it's the same. I can actually do it real quick, so why not? So this distance is 1, 2, 3 across. This distance is 1, 2, 3 across. And it is a distance of, and here's another way of looking at it, 2 to 10. That's -2 to -10, sorry. That'd be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I could, instead of counting, look, I'm at 2 to 10. Also 8. And that's reflecting over either the x or the y-axis.